Hello YouTube, what's up? How you all doing? Today I'm going to talk about Fiverr. So let's dive in straight. First of all, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is the world's biggest commercial center for online services. A service offered on Fiverr is known as gig. Gig sellers have the choice to pick their beginning value point with gig packages they can offer purchasers. Fiverr is basically accessible from anywhere which has a secure internet connection, but if your connection does not allow Fiverr, then you could use a VPN to get through into Fiverr. If you cannot do anything or some subject is way out of your comfort zone, you can rely on someone on the internet who probably is an expert in that field. So you want an amazing thumbnail for your video you are working on? Hire a Photoshopper that has been working on Photoshop for 3 years, or maybe someone who could draw some pictures for your website and many other services. Another thing is you can be someone who will give their valuable information for people that are in need. For example, you can be someone who says things in front of a camera, or someone like software engineer who could help someone else with their homework. To join Fiverr, all you have to do is click the join button up on the right corner of your screen and use your email address to sign in. The sign in options are Gmail, Facebook, Apple, or you could type in your email address. After that, Fiverr will send you to another screen which will ask for what you would like to have as your username or password. Then an email will be sent to you asking for you to verify the account. You could earn a lot of money. For example, one of the most popular gigs on Fiverr is the Great Gigs Guy 3, known as a big man Tyrone. Great Gig Guy is a very popular gig, even becoming an internet sensation only by speaking in front of a camera with a monitor screen showing anything that is related to the speech. So the possibility of you earning money are endless. That's it for now, folks. Thank you very much for watching. If you have got any questions, please leave in the comment sections below. Thank you.